Sinuk man dul matika tij mi golo mo ma nonge kabedo ma Kingfisher Development Area matye i Kikube District gudwoko lworo pa dano piny ki medde pa bwal pii ma tye ka pongo kabedo ma kitye ka yubye ka golo mo ki ite ngom man. Inoni dul ma a ki lobo China kimie tic mi golo mo i kabedo man. I kine mwaka 2020 ki 2021 pong pa pii i nam Lake Albert obalo jami mapol ma dul man gitye ka tic kede m'oweko odwoko cen kare mi yubo ka golo mo man ki kare mo pien noni dul man dak gucako tic mi juko pong pa piny i kabedo man. Ka ywano mo acel ma kubo kut maromo 5 aye dong tye cok tutwal ki kama pii Lake Albert tye ka pong iye. Zack Lubega ladit acel ma tye ki dul man me Sinok waci dano myero po bed ki lworo i medde pa pong pa piny man.
Beyond the normal, but that wasn't new. That has happened in a cycle of every 100 years, I think, from the studies that have been done from the lake, because there is a hydrological study that was done for Lake Albert. True, there could be increase in the levels of the lake, but as a contingency plan, the company undertook measures after the 2020 occurrence, and we had a program to protect all the project infrastructure, where we had restoration and protection of the well pads through installation of the pile sheets that are able to deter any flooding that may be occasioned to the project infrastructure areas.
Anita Komugisha mati engineer magitika tij mineni gi kubo kut mo mapapat ki manonge i kabedo man waci kama mo tiye ti tut ma inoni pii kiro pong pibi balo tijgi kit mo keken.
The lake that is right next to us, I think its deepest is about 60 meters, if I am hopefully 60 meters, thank you sir. It's about 60 meters. And our shallowest surface section, that is to say, by the time we start deviating to go under the lake, we are already over 300 meters into the ground. So there is nowhere where we encounter this lake water apart from using it in our daily domestic operations.
Gang kalmi kero kilonyo ma itengom kachiel ki gang kalmi kabedo murumuwa fut piago kata ki chik mo unyo gina loba mamiyo dano tim ka inen pong pa pii ti ka bini kabedo papat ki mino tam ki dan ni go ao ma inoni dul mo man pigi romo kobo ka mo keken. Ronald Angutoko ladiro maneno kabedo murumuwa matiyo ki Petroleum Authority of Uganda man dul matika neno kita tich mi mo ki yamo tika time kiri lobo man waci geng madul ma tika golo mo man tika ketone aye tima pire tek tutwal mi gengo pong pa piny maromo balo tich mi golo mo.
The oil and gas facilities are along the shore of Lake Albert. So meaning that any increase in the Lake Albert water level would impact on these oil and gas facilities. So what the sector did was to conduct a flood risk assessment of Lake Albert onto these oil and gas facilities, where different levels of lake water rising were evaluated against their risk to the project facilities. And
Kingfisher Development Area bi ywano mo ki itengo maromwa million barrels 100 ki 85 man ki ikut mo marom 31 ma inoni ka donguero ywano mo man nina achiel inoni mo marom barrels 40,000 ki bebedo ywano ne nino duju. Pi One Luo TV and Robert Mone ki Kikube District.